Got it? All of you, please respond.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anvesha, clear till now? Anvesha, Bhargav, Ritvik, Bhunesh.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, Sharanya, Shravani,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear.
Varshita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for special as well as general multiplications, the basic thing for multiplication is doubling a number. The basic thing is doubling a number. Doubling nothing but nothing but multiplication
Multiplying by 2.
2. That is the basic thing for multiplication. Multiplication by 2. So how to double a number? Tell me. Any number, suppose like a 24 is there, we have to multiply it by 2. Without doing direct multiplication, how can you do this?
Just add it to itself.
Yes, correct. Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition, right? 24, we have to add with 24 again. 24 and 24. The 2 times we have to add the number twice, means that is nothing but multiplication by 2. Nothing but multiplication by 2. So 24 plus 24 will result in the same number like a 24 into 2. 2 times of 24. Okay, so then how can we add 24 with the 24, sir? So those things are already completed in case of additions and subtractions. So you may use any technique, right? Let us use split and add method till as of now. See, 20 plus 20 is
20 plus 20 is 40.
40 plus 8, 4 and 4 becomes
8.
8. So 40 and 8 is 48. Okay, and you can use any technique. Purana Puranabhyam, deficiency. There are many additive techniques are there, addition techniques. You can use any. Okay, let us start with Anvesha. Anvesha, your question is already, first question is already over. 24 and 24. 20 plus 20 and then 4 plus 4. And Anvesha's second question, B. Anvesha. Second question. Try to rejoin. Okay. Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Second question.
Yes, sir. 40 plus 40 is 80. 1 plus 1 is 2. And the answer is 82.
82. Correct. And then Sri Ghoda.
Yes, sir.
C.
Yes, sir. 10 plus 10, it is 20.
Okay.
And 4 plus 4, it is 8. So answer is 28.
28. Correct. Anvesha, same problem. Okay, Bhargav. D, fourth question.
Sir, fourth. Okay, sir. 90.
Explain.
Sir, add 45 plus 45. That's it, sir.
How you have added those two numbers? 45 and 45.
Sir, 5 plus 5, 10, right, sir? 1 slash. So 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9.
That is a normal conventional method, right? Okay, it's okay. You can use any, but so coming to Vedic, split and add we can use, right? So 45 plus 45. 40 and 40 is 80. 5 and 5 is 10. 80 and 10 is 90. or we can use 45 plus 45. So 45 is 5 deficient to 50. We can take that 5. We can add that 5 and this becomes 50. And because we have taken 5, this number becomes 40, 50 and 40 becomes 90. Okay, these things are already covered. Okay, together it is 90. And then Ritvik, Bhunesh, E.
Yes, sir. So 10 plus 10 is 20 and 5 plus 5 is 10. 20 plus 10 is 30.
30, correct. Ritvik, I know, that's why I skipped it. Sharanya, your question is L.
Yes, sir. 8 plus 8 is 16.
Hmm.
And 4 plus 4 is 40 plus 40 is 80. And 80 plus 16 is 96.
Yeah, 80 and 16 is 96. Can you do the same question in any other way, Sharanya? Sharanya.
Sir, we can do 50 plus 50
Very
and
good.
minus
Very
4.
good. Yes, correct. So 50 plus 50, 100. How much we have considered extra, that much we can remove now. So 100 minus 4 is 96 again. Then Shreyasi.
Yes, sir. Which one, sir?
J.
Okay, yes, sir. So 29 plus 29 we can do.
I think it is better.
No?
Yes, proceed.
Yes, sir. Oh, 30.
We can take the reference of 30. 30 plus 30?
30 plus 38 is 60, sir. Then if
60.
we subtract 2 from both the places, then it becomes 58.
58, yes. Then Shravani.
Yes, sir.
G.
So 30 plus 30 is 60 and
Okay.
6 plus 6 is 12.
Together?
So we have to add 60 plus 12, which is 72.
72, correct. Okay. This one I'm leaving to you. Okay, you can do this later. Next, we'll see this. Again, we'll start with Anvesha. Anvesha, first question. Oh, sorry, Anvesha is having mic problem. Ayesha,
Yes, sir.
first question.
Yes, sir. 300 plus 300 is 600.
Okay.
60 plus 60 is 120.
Okay.
2 plus 2 is 4. So the answer is 724.
724. And Sri Godha.
Yes, sir.
E.
Yes, sir. 400 plus 400 we get
E.
800.
Question number E.
Okay, sir. 700 plus 700 we get 1400.
Okay.
And 7 plus 7 we get 14. So the answer is 1414.
1414. Yes, then Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
J.
Sir, 663. Sir, 1, 3,
Explain.
2, 6.
How you are getting that?
Sir, just by adding, sir.
Which numbers are added? Again, doing the same technique. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. One carry. Doing the same?
No, sir, I did 6 plus 6, 12. And then again 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Like that, sir, I did like that, sir.
Okay, right. Later we will see another technique also for the same, not only for doubling, multiplication by one digit number. Any number any big number multiplication with a 1-digit number. Later we will see another technique also. As of now, we are using this technique only, split and add. So 600 double is 1200, 60 double is 120, and 3 double is 6. 1200 and 120, 1320. 1320 plus 6 is 1326.
26.
Yes. And then Ritvik. Sorry, you also are having mic problem. Bonish. I.
Sir, which question, sir?
I.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1000 plus 1000 is 2000.
Okay.
And 200 plus 200 is 400.
Okay.
And 30 plus 30 is 60.
Okay.
4 plus 4 is 8.
Okay.
And the answer is,
Sir, 4 plus 4, 8, sir.
Sorry. He told
Yes,
correct
sir.
only. I wrote
2468.
2468. And one small observation here. Even you write digit by digit double also, you'll get the same answer, right?
Yes, sir.
So 122, 244, 366, and 488.
Yes, sir.
So because there is no carry, right? And or why don't you use this technique now? 626, right? In the previous class, in the last class, we used one technique for additions. What is that? Left to right. Okay. 6 plus 6
Yes,
is
sir.
6 plus 6 is
12.
12. But see the next place, carry or non-carry?
Non-carry.
Non-carry, we'll write it as it is. Next, 4 plus 4 is
8. Next
sorry.
one is not, next one
It is
the
not
carry.
4 plus 4. It is 2. 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is 8.
4. But the next place is
Carry.
carry. That's why we'll write it as 5. And 6 plus 6 end number is
2.
2. So 1252. Okay. In this way also we can. Sharanya,
Yes, sir.
your question is D.
Yes, sir.
Try to use this method as we
Yes, sir.
discussed.
3 plus 3 is 6. The next number is not carried, so it is 6 only.
Okay.
1 plus 1 is 2. The next number is carried, so it is 3.
Okay.
9 plus 9 is 18, so 8.
In number is 8. I think this is better compared to 300 plus 300, 10 plus 10. Okay. Then Shreyasi, you also can use the same G.
G1, sir.
G1.
Sir, G1, sir, 400 plus 400 is 800, sir.
Okay. Why don't you use this one? 4 plus 4 is 8. Next place is carry or
Sir,
non-carry?
because the next one is a carry, sir.
We'll write it as 9.
Okay.
Okay. 7 plus 8 end
Yes,
number.
sir.
Sorry, 7 plus 7 end number.
7 plus 7 and number is 4.
But the next place,
Next one is not a carry,
that's why
so write it 4.
4 as it is. 2 plus 2 is
2 plus 2 is 4.
4. That's all. 944.
Yeah.
Shravani. C.
Yes, sir.
C1.
Sir, should we use the carrier or
Your wish.
okay? So 6 plus 6 is 12, and the next one is not a carrier, so it will remain the same.
Remain the same, 12 only.
1 plus 1 is 2, but the next one is not a carrier, so it will remain the same.
Nothing but 2 only.
Yes, sir. 2 plus 2 is 4, and it will remain the
That's
same.
all. Because it is the last place. Whatever we get, we'll get the same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Yash, right? T Yash. Yash was in.
Yes, sir.
Is it your first class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try to understand. Okay. Timing you'll get understood. So what is there on the screen? Multiplication by 4 and
4 and
8.
8.
Multiplication by 4 and 8. See, multiplication by 4. Can I write it as like this? Into 2 and then again into 2. All of you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So nothing but one time if it is into 2, nothing but that we call it as a doubling, right? So instead of direct multiplication by 4, what we can do? We can double twice. Okay, multiplication by 4, nothing but doubling a number 2 times, twice. Doubling a number 2 times. Similarly, what is multiplication by 8? Into 2, after that, into 2, after that, into 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what we can call this? Doubling a number 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So doubling thrice.
So why doubling, sir? Doubling means like
Doubling
making a
is
double
easy,
of it,
that's
sir.
why.
Which will only be into 2. We should not
Only
say
into 2.
doubling, right, sir? We should only say we have to add it to thrice.
That is nothing but double. What is
Sir,
the double
double
of 4?
means only added to itself, right, sir? Double means making
Yes.
a copy of it, right, sir? Then why will we say doubling thrice?
I want to double this number. I want to double 4. Nothing but multiplication by 2. Both are same. Okay, into 2.
No, sir, that's not what I mean, sir.
Into 2 is nothing but double or doubling. Into 2, nothing but double or doubling. Right? Triple means
Okay, sir.
3 times.
Doubling thrice means, sir, like we have to
Yes.
add into the same number thrice, sir. We have to
Yes.
double that same
Suppose
number thrice.
see here, I'm taking a small number like 3 into 8. Instead of direct multiplication by 8, what I will do is, first I will double this number 3. First time doubling is 6. Next again I'll double that 6. It is 12. Next I'll double it again. Okay, 12 double is 24. So 24 is the result for this question. Yes or no? Understood? 3 double is 6.
Yes, sir.
6 double is 12. 12 double is 24. 24 is the direct multiplication result of 3 into 8. So into 2, nothing but doubling a number. Into 4, nothing but doubling it 2 times. Into 8, nothing but doubling it 3 times. So we'll start with the Ayesha. Your question is first, first question.
So could you repeat which question?
First question.
Yes, sir. 53 plus 53 is 106. 5 plus
106. That is one time doubling.
And 106 plus 106 is 200 plus 100, 200. 6 plus 6, 12. 212.
Okay. 212. And that is the result of into 4. Okay. Then Ayush Mishra. Ayush Mishra. Ayush Mishra, what happened? Please respond. If you have any mic problem, just text me. Sri Goda.
Yes, sir.
Your question is F.
80 plus 80, we get 160.
160.
1 plus 1, we get 2. So it is 162.
That is
And
one time doubling.
yes, sir. If we double again 162, we get 324.
324. Yes. Bhargav. Your
Yes,
question
sir.
is J.
Sir, 45 into 8, right, sir?
Yes.
360.
Explain me. Using the doubling
Sir,
technique.
4 8s are 32.
No.
And 48s are 320.
No. Oh, that thing we'll see later. That thing we'll see later. As of now, use doubling technique. Double technique. 45 double is
90.
90 double is
180.
then 180 double is
360.
that's your answer. Okay. Into 8,
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but doubling a number 3 times.
Okay, sir.
Right. Then Bhunesh,
Yes, sir.
C, question C.
Yes, sir. 33 plus 33 is 66.
Okay.
66 plus 66 is 130.
132. Correct. And then Sharanya,
Yes, sir.
your question is I.
Yes, sir. 22 double is 44. 44 double is 88.
Okay.
88 double is
160 plus 16.
yes, sir. 176.
176. Correct. Then Shreyasi,
So which one, sir?
D. D for Delhi.
So D1, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Sir, 61 double it is 122.
122.
Then 122 double it is 244.
244. Correct. And then Shravani, your question is H.
Okay. 16 plus 16 is 32.
32.
And 32 plus 32 is
32 double is
64.
64.
And 64 double is 128.
128. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, what if fractions are given? Okay. Just tell me what is meant by 1 by 2?
Half.
Half. What is meant by 1 by 4?
Quarter.
Quarter. Half doubles. If you double half, it becomes
1.
yeah, full or 1. If you double quarter,
Half.
becomes half. If you double half,
Well, it becomes full or 1.
full or 1. Okay. So means if any fractions are given, if the direct fraction is given, we can think or we can do like this. If a mixed fraction is given like 3 and a half, so what is the double of 3 and a half? So simply we can do 3 double is 6.
3 double is 6.
Half double is 1. Together
1.
7.
7.
So in this way also we can. So Aisha,
Yes, sir.
again the same into 4 or into 8 means you have to use the technique of doubling. Tell the answer for question number G.
Yes, sir. 30 double is 60. Half double is 1.
Together
61. 61 into 2 will be 122.
122. Correct. Then Aish Mishra, what happened? You have to respond. At least send a message. If you have any problem, you have to send a message. Okay, Sri Goda, your question is E.
Yeah, okay. 5 double is 10. And half double is 1. So 10 plus 1, we get 11.
Okay.
And 11, if we take
Double.
it as double, we'll get 22.
Okay.
And 22, if we double, we get 44.
Is that your answer? Or any more doubling is required?
Sir?
Any more doubling?
No, sir.
Yeah, 44 is your answer. Suppose into 16 is given, then how can we do?
Sir, again, we have to multiply.
So doubling a number
4
4 times, right? Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Your question is C. Multiplication by 4 means 2 times doubling. Explain.
Sir, 78.
Tell.
Sir, 19 into 2 is 38, sir. And 19 and a half into 2 is 39, sir.
Together
And
39.
then 39 into 2 is 78.
78, correct. Bonesh.
Yes, sir.
B.
Yes, sir. 11 double is 22, sir. 22.
What about
22
half
plus
double?
1 is 22 plus 1 is 23.
Okay, one time doubling is over.
23 double is 46.
Okay.
46 double is
Tell.
92.
92. 80 plus 12. 92. Right. Okay, we'll see the next slide. Suppose by 4 is not given. We have not discussed by 4. Sharanya,
Yes, sir.
your question is H. H.
Yes, sir. 3 double is 6 and 1/4 double is half, so it is 6.5.
6.5.
Then 6 double is 12 and half double is 1, so it is 12 plus 1, 13.
13. Yes. Okay. So this is the basic thing. Doubling or multiplication by 4 and multiplication by 8. So next we are moving on to the next category, that is multiplication by
5.
5. Multiplication by 5. Any number, if we take any number, instead of multiplying by 5, what we can do?
Multiply by 10 and divide by 2.
Yes, correct. Multiplication by 10 and then divided by 2. How you got that one? Suppose any number I'm taking like n into 5 we are going to do. Here what we are doing is into 2 by 2, so that there is no change, right? And this becomes
Yes, sir.
this becomes 10. So a number into 10 divided by 2. Or we can do division first and later we can add that 0. We can append that 0. Suppose if I take any number like 12 into 5, instead of direct multiplication by 5, I will divide this number by 2. What is the division result?
Sir, 6 into 30, sir.
6. No. 6. What is the division result? 6.
6.
Now add 0. That's your answer. Not 6 into 30. Here we have already taken into 2 by 2. This is nothing but 10. Okay. Sir, what if the remainder is 0? Like 31 into 5. 31 into 5. Again, what we will do? We will divide this number by 2. Tell me, 31. In 31, 2 goes how many times? 15 times with the remainder?
1.
Remainder 1. If 1 is the remainder, simply keep the last digit as 5. That's your answer.
Oh.
Okay. So any number when divided by 2, what are the remainder possibilities?
So 1 or
0
0.
and 1.
either 0 or 1. If you get
The
0,
remainder possibility.
last digit 0. If you get 1, last digit 5.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and before that, it is better to learn halving a number, right? Half or halving a number. We will see that first. Half. Yes. Okay. Okay, we'll see here only. Division by 2. Division by 2. Nothing but half or halving. Half or halving. Halving. Tell me 32 divided by 2.
32 divided by
16.
Explain the way. Explain. How? Without doing direct division by 2. Split and add. Like split and add, here also we can use split and add. We can take this number like 30 and then 2.
30 and 2.
30 half is 15. 2 half is 1.
half.
Together it is again
16.
16. Okay. Otherwise, you know this method already, right? 2. 2 how many times in 3? 1 time. With remainder 1. Now it is 12.
1. With remainder
So
1, 12.
Now it becomes 12. 12 by 2 is 6. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Division by 2.
So, sir, I have been dividing in this way only, sir, every time.
Tell me 6 times. First of all, it is 6 times with remainder 0. And then 3. In 3, how many times 2 goes? 1 time with remainder 1.
It will be and remainder 1. Remainder will be 1.
Okay.
14,
then
then
14,
7 with remainder 0.
7 with remainder 0. And then 5.
5 with remainder 1 with 2 times.
Yashwin, tell me. Yes, tell me.
Sir, can you explain the first method again?
I'll explain again. Okay. For smaller numbers, it is okay. For numbers are getting bigger like this, it is suggestible. Direct division is suggestible. So lastly, 16 by 2 is 8. So do you know this method already, Ashwin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'll explain first method again. Suppose if any number is given like 384 divided by 2, you have to do. Ashwin, please respond. 300 half is? Half of 300?
150.
150. Half of 80?
Sir, 40.
40. And half of 4 is?
2.
2. Altogether it is? 150 plus 40 is 190 plus 2 is 192. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Split and add. So I'm splitting 300 plus 80 plus 4. Individually, I'm taking the half, and then finally we are adding those resultant numbers. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and for 300 numbers only, it is this much lengthier. And I suggest you to do direct division. 384 is given,
Yes,
then
sir, direct one, sir.
2. How we do this? 2 in 3. How many times it goes? 1 time with remainder 1. Now it is 18. In 18 by 2 is 9. And 4 by 2 is 2. 192.
2.
Okay, division by 2 is okay. What if he is asking for division by 4? Then?
Sir, I think first we need to divide it by 2 and then we need to again divide it by 2.
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir, that's what I said, sir.
Division by 4, nothing but halving a number
2 times.
2 times. And division by 8 is given, then halving a number
Sir,
3 times.
3 times.
3 times or thrice. Okay, but it is of your choice. If you feel comfortable direct division, then you can proceed with the direct division. It all depends on you. Okay, sir, if it is comfortable for me to divide by 4 directly, so then you can proceed with that. So there is a method like this. That's why I have mentioned these things. Right. Now we will go to the multiplication by 5. Now simply what we can do, see here, any number instead of multiplying by 5, we will divide by 2, and based on the remainder we'll keep the last digit. So now tell me, remainder possibilities are
Remainder possibilities are 0 and 1.
0 and 1. If the remainder is 0, last digit is
Last digit is
0.
0. No, 5.
No. If remainder is 1, it is 5. Remainder 0, last digit 0. Remainder 1, last digit 5. Okay then. Aisha,
Yes, sir.
understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Your question is D.
Yes, sir. 426 by 2 is 213.
213 with
And
remainder,
remainder is 0, so we'll add 1 0.
last digit 0. Then Sri Goda,
Yes, sir.
C. Question number C.
Yes, sir. 36 divided by. Hello, sir. Can you
Yes.
hear me? Yes, sir. See question 36 divided by 2, we get 18.
With the remainder,
0, sir. So it is 180.
last digit 0. Right. So what if fractions are given? Okay, so if fractions are given, don't consider fractions while solving the question, and later after getting the answer you can add those fractions. Okay, Bhargav,
Yes, sir.
your question is G. Explain. Whatever you are thinking, just share.
Sir, it is 2, 3.
How you are getting the 2, 3?
23.40. Wait. 23.4. Sir.
That is your answer, right? I want procedure.
Sir, yes, sir. Multiply 4.68 by 10 and then divide the whole thing by 2.
Okay, I'm dividing it by 2. Tell me the division result. 2.
2.34.
2, 3 without fraction. 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
With a remainder of?
Remainder is 0.
0 means last digit will be 0. Now keep the decimal point. Decimal point is after 2 digits from right side. Here also after 2 digits from right side.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then Bhunesh, H.
Yes, sir. 0.66 divided by 2.
Is how much? Don't consider 0 point. Okay, 66 by 2 it is.
33.
33 with a remainder.
0
If remainder is 0, last digit
will be 0.
Okay, now keep the decimal.
It means 3.3, sir.
Yes, decimal is after 2 digits from right side. 3.30. And then Sharanya.
Yes, sir.
E.
Yes, sir. 8.6 half is 4.3.
86 half is
43.
43.
43 into 10 is 430.
Remainder 0, last digit 0, 430.
Yes, sir. And one digit, like decimal is one digit, so it is 43.
43.0, nothing but 43. Correct. Shreyasi, F.
So, which one, sir? Acha, F1, sir.
F1.
Sir, I'm doing that one, sir.
Now do this one. Okay, 54 by 2 is how much?
Acha.
Tell me, 54 by 2 is how much?
So 54 divided by 2 will be 27.
Okay. With a remainder of?
With the remainder of
54 by 2. Is there any remainder?
1, sir.
How it is 1? 27 4s are, sorry, 27 2s are 54. Where is the remainder then?
Wait, sir, I'm doing wrong. It is 0, sir, the remainder.
Remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, last digit will be?
0.
Now it is 270. Now keep the decimal point. Decimal is after one digit from right side. So after one digit from right side means it is 27.0.
Sir, if we put 0, sir, none other than the answer will be 27 only.
27 only, yes. Okay, and then Shravani.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your question is first question, first one.
Sir, 68 divided by 2. 1 second.
Half of 60?
Yes, so 60 divided by 2 is 30.
30.
And
half of 4 is?
Half of 8 is 4.
Sorry, half of 8 is 4. 30 plus 4 is?
It's 34.
With a remainder?
34, 34. The remainder is 0, sir.
0 means last digit will be?
0.
And there is no fraction adjustment because it is not a fraction. So that's all. That is your answer. 340. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yashwin, B.
Yes, sir. Sir, 42 by 2 is equal to 21.
21 with remainder?
0.
Last digit will be?
0, sir.
That's your answer. Yes. Okay, we'll start with Ashwin again. Ashwin.
Yes, sir.
First question. This is yours.
Sir, 64 by 2 is equal to 32.
Okay.
And then remainder is 0. So the final digit will be 0.
Yes, correct. Then Shravani.
Yes, sir.
This is your question.
Sir, 90 divided by 2, is it like that one, sir? Yes, sir. 90 divided by 2 is 45, and
Okay.
and 3 divided 2 we cannot do it. Will come in points, no, sir. 1.5.
1 with remainder 1. In that way you can say 1 with
Okay.
remainder 1. 45 plus 1.
46.
Finally, you got 46 with a remainder
0.
No. There is a remainder.
Okay, remainder 1. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If 1 is the remainder, last digit will be?
It will be 1, sir.
5.
Sir, I'm confused. Sir. Can you explain it once again?
I am explaining. See, any number instead of multiplying by 5, we will divide it by 2. After dividing by 2, you may get the remainder either 0 or 1. If the remainder is 0, last digit will be 0. And if the remainder is 1, last digit will be 5.
Okay.
So till now, you're simply one thing.
What if the remainder? What if the remainder is something else, like 2?
You will not get any other remainder other than these two, because you are dividing that number, any number, by 2, right?
Okay.
When you divide any number by 2, you should get either 0 or 1. If it is more than 0 or 1, if you get 2, you will not stop there. You will continue your division again.
Yes, sir.
If you get 5, again you will continue your division. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So remainder 0, last digit 0, remainder 1, last digit 5.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Whenever you have given an even number, you'll get 0 in the end place. Whenever you have given an odd number, you'll get 5 in the end place.
Okay, sir.
Done. Next, this is Shreyasi. Just by
Yes.
seeing the number, tell me the last digit will be 0 or 1. Sorry, 0 or 5.
Just by seeing the number, it will be a 0, sir.
Yeah, because it is an
Even.
number, you'll get 0. Okay, continue.
Yes, sir. It will be 1, 1, 2, 4, 3.
1, 2, 4, 3 with a remainder 0 means last digit.
0.
Sorry, remainder 0, last digit 0. This is your answer. 1, 2, 4, 3, 0.
This was easy.
And then Sharanya,
Yes, sir.
you'll get last digit 0 or 1. Sorry, 0 or 5.
Sir, 0, sir.
0. Okay, proceed.
Sir,
Tell.
2, 8, 9.
1 remainder. 2, 8 or 2, 9?
2, 9, sir. 2, 9.
Yeah, 2, 9 with remainder again.
1. 2, 9 again.
Then
2, 2.
okay.
Then 2, 3.
With remainder
1.
1.
Then 2, 6.
Finally, remainder is
0. So it is
means
0.
last digit is 0. Yes. Bhunesh, ready?
Yes, sir. Last digit will be 1, sir.
Last digit will be 5. Remainder you'll get 1. Okay, proceed.
Eight, 6, 9, 3 is divided by 2. So,
Tell me while doing
yes, sir.
12 by
6,
2, 6. Then
2,
2 times with remainder 0. Then
2,
2 times with remainder
1.
1. The next number becomes 17.
Yes, sir.
In
17
that 17,
and 8.
8 times with remainder
1.
the next number becomes
9.
18. 18 means 9.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
next number is 6. So the answer is 3.
Okay. After that,
And next number is 19.
9.
So the answer
9.
is
9.
9. So the answer is 4.
4
And
times with
remainder is
remainder
1.
1. Okay.
And 6, sir. 6, 2, 8, 9, 3, 4, 6, 5.
Okay. Finally, the remainder is 1. That's why the last digit will be 5.
5.
Yes. Okay. Then we'll see multiplication by 50. Anyone tell me any number instead of multiplying by 50, what we can do?
Sir, normally we add 1 0, but we have to add another 0.
Yeah, normally we add 1 0 means it depending upon the remainder, right? Always we
Yes,
don't
sir.
add 0. Yes, correct. After completion of complete multiplication by 5, finally we'll add 0. That is your thing, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Otherwise, see here, what we can do is, previously it is 5. We have converted this 5 into its above base number, that is 10. Okay, that's why we have taken 2 is the multiplication factor. That's why we have divided by 2. Even though the number is 50, we can one second, please. Yeah. See here, into 50. Instead of into 50, we can multiply by 2 and the number becomes 100. The base number becomes 100. So the base number consists of 2 digits. That's why we have to keep the last 2 zeros. Sorry, last 2 digits. Tell me, what are the remainder possibilities when you divide any number by 2? When you divide any number by 2, remainder possibilities are? Are you there? When you divide
Yes,
any
sir.
number by 2,
Remainder
remainder
5
possibilities.
and 0 and 5, sir.
0 and 1. Based on the remainder, here we have to keep the last 2 digits, not only 1 digit, last 2 digits. Last 2 digits. Okay. If the remainder is 0, last 2 digits will be 0, 0. If the remainder is 1, last 2 digits will be 5, 0. Okay. Bhargav. Bhargav.
Yes, sir.
Explain this. Instead
So
of direct
200
multiplication by 50, what we will do?
So 248 divided by 2 is equal to 124.
With remainder?
With remainder 0.
Last 2 digits will be?
0, 0, 0, 0. Yes,
That's all. That is the answer. 12400. And then Sri Goda. Sri Goda.
Yes, sir.
This is your question.
5,243 if we divided by 2 will get 2. 6. So
With remainder 1.
remainder 1, 6.
Okay.
Again 2.
Okay.
1.
1 with remainder?
1, sir.
Okay. If remainder is 1.
So we have to add 5 and 0.
Last 2 digits will be 5 and 0. Correct. This one is for Ayesha.
Yes, sir. 6 divided by 2 it will be 3. And then 5 divided by 2 it will be 2 with remainder 1.
Okay.
Then 17 it will be 8 with remainder 1.
Okay.
Then it will be 9. Then it will be 4 with remainder 1.
Okay.
Then it will be 7 with remainder 1.
Okay.
Then it will be 7 again.
Okay.
Then 1. And then 5 with remainder 1.
5.
Sorry, 2 with remainder 1.
2 with remainder 1. Okay.
And then 7.
7 with remainder?
7 with remainder 0.
Okay.
So we have to add 2 zeros.
2 zeros. That's all. And this question I'm leaving for you only. Okay. Just one time giving idea for the next class. If it is multiplication by 5, what we will do? We will divide it by 2. Based on the remainder, we'll keep how many digits?
Sir, 1 digit.
Last 1 digit. Remainder 0, last digit.
Zero.
0. Remainder 1, last digit.
5.
5. If it is into 50, then we will divide it again by 2 only. Based on the remainder, we'll keep how many digits? Last
2 digits.
2 digits. If remainder is 0, last digit.
Sir, 2 zeros.
2 zeros. And the remainder is 1, last digit. Last 2 digits will be
50.
50. And in the next class, just think about these things. What to do for multiplication by 25, what to do for multiplication by 125, what we can do for multiplication by 250, and what we can do for multiplication by 500. Okay, so these things we'll see in the next class. Along with these things, we'll see another techniques also. Okay, so we'll
Yes,
meet
sir.
tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.